Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert header and footer to a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will insert a header and footer. Now select this page layout option top menu bar and here you will find this header footer option. Click on this down arrow. You can apply to company logo or so on. Click on this manage header and footer option and select a new profile and you can change and customize this name. Okay, now select the add option. Here you can create text header, image header or footer, this PDF. I'll create text header and footer and see the header and footer dialog box and type your header footer name. You can apply all page or a specific page range and this header footer color you can change. I'll make it red color and see this position. I'll change it and I make it vertical from center and bottom, left and bottom, and see this and center and the center option footer and also in this position, see this one, and you can change font size in this text. See this text font size now change. Also you can rotate if you want 45 degrees. See this rotate and says font size. Now you can select a specific page range. You can apply all pages. So I'll apply all of these pages. Now simply select save, apply, and see this header and footer now apply all of these pages. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.